Guys, dito kami sa ano, may araw nga naglakad guys. Dito kami ngayon sa ano, sa Mega Mall. Ayun oh, ganda. Ano naman yan oh.
Together we are fostering a supportive community that
peanuts. Magkano? Ha? And prosperous future. And for the women bees that is trying to get out of the pwede na attitude and strive for excellence. We are now. Maraming salamat po. And thank you so much for it is my pleasure and my honor. And I will see you very soon. And have a great day. Laki ng TV guys, hala. Laki ng TV guys, ha. Huh? Laki ng TV guys, nakakatawa naman.